Hey guys, Rural JDM here. Today you would have seen in the last video us pulling the engine out of the Pintara. And now we are making that same engine into a pot plant. So I'm just going to start dismantling all the bits and pieces that don't make it sit flat. So I'll take off the torque converter, these bits here, and drop the oil sump. Hopefully this all works out.
Let the flames be on the list, let them going too fast, like right in your back, don't spin it. Left, right, don't knock me down. Can't play with a fake, I always play around. Might drop the tape, I might shake the town, I might snap my clutch, and shit needs some grease. I make it.
So this video is mainly just going to be about how to prep an engine to become a pot plant, if that's something that you're interested in. Because I tried looking online to see any videos and I couldn't find a thing. So I'm just kind of seeing how I can do it myself. There you go. That came off extremely easily. Okay, that's everything off both sides of the engine. Now just the hard bits of the torque converter and the sump, because the sump has oil in it. It's going to go everywhere. But there's not much I can do now because I've already taken it out of the car.
I'm just in my section, but they testify these petty hoes. I'm just trying to chill. Hey, let's go. Vibing in the set, I'm riding through. Waves you just can't get up. Waves you just can't get.
That is the sump. Because I want it to sit flat, I'm going to start disconnecting all of the crankshaft connections, and hopefully that'll get rid of the torque converter in the process. Alright, while I was gone, the GoPro overheated, so I just undid the crankshaft bolts. So I undid all of the crankshaft bolts, undid everything besides that. So I've got to go get the bolt for that. Torque converter is off. Once this flywheel's off, should be home sailing from there. There we go. Oh, and get down there. And that is the crankshaft out. So I'm going to give it a bit of a clean, and honestly this video will probably have more stuff in it, because what I want to do is show the whole tutorial. I want to paint it, and then we're going to put plants in there. So we'll cut to that. Hey guys, back again. We're here with the engine block. It's very dirty. I've purchased paint that we're going to paint it with, but first step is cleaning it. It's going to need a lot of it. So got a lot of degreaser, because we want the paint to be able to stick to the surface, basically.
That's like a dream or something. Been getting high for a minute, I might die any second. Don't rip on me, I'm way too frightened. Never see me, I'm a vibe, double threat, go for a ride.
Oh, okay. Well, it's looking okay. I don't know if that's what it's supposed to look like. I need to do a bit more research on what the block of a CA20 looks like when it's brand new. I've been doing this for 2 days now. This is a long and grueling process. This takes its fucking time. So, especially with such an old engine.
Tough connection couldn't handle, we still felt distorted. I'm trying to help you, little baby, but now I gotta go. I'm feeling dizzy, need to walk out of some winter snow. Maybe I'm just anxious about the things I'm doing, I don't know. I'm stuck with this itch now.
This has gave me a great idea yesterday, take it to the car wash, so that's what I'm going to be doing.
Maybe I should kill myself and finally realize the truth, but she's been on my mind, so she's just something that I have.
Now, honestly, I'm not gonna see the results until we get back. Actually a lot worse than I thought. So just a heads up, don't do what I did. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean one of these wire wheels and just go over all the rust. And honestly, after that, we should be sweet to go.
Chewing up some place, kept me out the school when I dropped out. I was watching down on the fools with the Glock out, bow, bow. Catch me on the street with the boy to my feet. I seen 666 when I fell off a tree, but don't believe me, cause I was probably just off my shit. A little later, kick it with haters, get off my dick. Sell a hate, little bitch, I'm the controller. Yeah, show you what you want me, come and wrap me, feel your body on my chest. Baby, yeah, you know I'm the best. Getting jiggy, smoke a ciggy, make me run out of breath. While I run from the cops, I was just smoking a J. Tuesday, with my homies trying to skate in LA or in the city. My life is getting shitty. I hate pieces of shit that try to hit me when they diss me. Take no offense. I'm twisted with lyrical ammunition from my vision, just like a Glock now, but I can see.
All right, well, I'm just gonna let this dry overnight, then we'll get started on the color. Hey guys, back again, next day. Got the purple paint, doing the purple. Yeah, let's see how this goes. It is looking pretty good. All right, just gonna go put on this last coat of paint, and then that honestly should be done and dusted for the painting. All that would be left is getting the getting the potting mix, getting some plants in there. Yeah, I'll show you the final product. I'll take off the masking tape a bit later, once it's all dry, and we'll get it ready for potting mix. Hey guys, back here again. It's been like a week because we had that massive heat wave and bushfire warnings and all that stuff. So the plants that I bought on Monday kind of dying because we completely forgot about them, and this heat, bloody hot. No, today's not so bad. It's 26 today, but it was like 45 throughout the week. So I haven't had a chance to get around to this. I've got the engine block here, I've got the potting mix here, I've got the plants inside. I'm just gonna find a place to put it and get started. So this little stand here is actually rated for 110 kilos. I couldn't believe it, but it seems to be holding up. And yeah, they were recommending, I've never done this in my life, never planted anything. So maybe don't follow this part of the tutorial if you're a professional at this side of things. But it did recommend to get water crystal potting mix because it's gonna get hot and it's gonna get hot in that engine. So make sure you've got wetting agents in your soil. I'm still learning all this stuff. I'm from Melbourne originally, okay, don't roast me. Okay.
Nice. What kind of scene could be actions that don't happen right? Let me shoot the beam to the point, bitch, I'ma hit it twice. Let me shoot the beam to make it live a better life. Last night I saw her, she was with a friend. Don't know about what I'm doing or how I'ma end this, man. I swear I'll protect you, little baby, and that's to the end.
Now I'm putting Marigolds in here because apparently they're a good snake repellent and they aren't poisonous to cats. That's what I'm trying here. All right, now I'm gonna water them. I have no idea if this is gonna work because I've just separated the roots, but I'm hoping that they can create new roots and get started on growing. Let's chuck some water in there.
Like day to day, what's happening?
Well, anyway, guys, it's been rural JDM. This is kind of the first rural video I've ever done. Still related to cars, it's an engine block, but I'm hoping to learn more in the future about plants and growing and agriculture and all that stuff. So, as I am from Melbourne, didn't grow up around it, and I'm wanting to learn more about it. But yeah, if you did enjoy, please leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment. And yeah, it's been rural JDM. Hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one.
Go dream, let's go dream, let's go. Let's go dream, let's go motherfucking dream, yeah. For a better life, for a